Hello, welcome to Legal Solutions and you're with Advocate Bhagyashree Patil. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so never to miss an update. Many times, married couple come to me willing to adopt a child legally. They have many questions in their mind. Is the adoption possible when not from their own relative? What are the terms for adoption? Can a couple adopt a child outside the bloodstream? Can a single mother adopt a child? So let's answer these questions step by step. Today we will be talking about adoption rules in India. Till the early 20s, Indians were very stringent and uncompromising over the adoption of children. Still, the mentality of many has not changed, but a substantial number of families today are registering for adoption, and not just because of infertility but due to express parenting. Most people are adopting girl children these days. There has been a societal change in terms of awareness. So let us start with the legal and the general aspect of adoption. A child can be given in adoption to a couple or a single person irrespective of their marital status. But a child cannot be given in adoption to a couple unless the marriage between the two is stable for more than 2 years. Means the couple should not be fighting any legal battle against each other of whatsoever nature. A married couple, though having their own son or daughter, can adopt a child. Giving a child for adoption means physical transfer of child from biological parents to the adopted parents. Under present law, father, mother and the guardian are capable to give a child for adoption. Now let us know who can adopt. As per the Adoption Regulation Act 2017 and in accordance with the Juvenile Justice Act 2015 issued by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, the prospective adoptive parents should be physically, mentally, emotionally stable, financially capable, and should not have any life-threatening medical condition. A person can adopt irrespective of their marital status and whether or not he or she has a biological son or daughter. A single female can adopt a child of any gender, but a single male shall not be eligible to adopt a girl child. In case of a married couple, both spouses should give their consent for adoption. We can take an example of the great diva Sushmita Sen, who adopted 2 girl children, though she herself was unmarried. She later got married in 2018. No child shall be given in adoption to a couple unless they have at least 2 years of stable marital relationship. Couples with 3 or more children shall not be considered for adoption except in case of special need children. Apart from resident or non-resident Indians, even overseas citizens of India and foreign parents can adopt children from the country. Now, which child is eligible for adoption? The child who is an orphan, abandoned and surrendered child declared legally free for adoption by the Child Welfare Committee, or the child or children of spouse from earlier marriage surrendered by the biological parents for adoption are eligible for adoption. One can also adopt a child of a relative, means from paternal uncle, aunt or maternal uncle, aunt, paternal grandparents, maternal grandparents. As mentioned in the regulations, the minimum age difference between the child and the prospective parents should be not less than 25 years. This, however, is not applicable in case of relative or step parents adoption. A couple can adopt sibling at the same time from the adoption center. They can also adopt 2 children from same gender. Now, who can give child in adoption? Father has the primary right to give child for adoption, but consent of his mother is required. But if father is capable or disabled, then the right directly transferred to the mother of the child. Secondly, mother has also right to give her child for adoption after the Personal Law Amendment of 2010. Mother can give a child for adoption by consent of child's father. Only otherwise, mother has no right to give a child for adoption till child's father is alive or capable. A mother can give her child in adoption wherein the father is incapable to give his consent or by reason has been declared as civil death, or renowned the world, or when the father of the child is dead, or has been judicially declared of unsound mind. In case if the father has totally prohibited to give a child for adoption before or after in expressed or implied manner, then the mother has no right to give her child for adoption. The mother of an illegitimate child has power to give the child in adoption without the consent of the putative father. Now, what are the rights of guardian? Guardian has the right to give a child for adoption only in absence of father and mother of the child. To give a child for adoption, the de facto and the de jure, both guardians have right. The circumstances where the guardian can give a child in adoption are physical death of his parents, civil death of his parents, parents declared judicially of unsound mind, when child is abandoned by the parents, if percentage of the child is unknown, which means foundling or refugee child. In these cases, the guardian can give a child for adoption, but with the prior permission of the court is necessary. Adoption is done for the welfare of the child, which is paramount with the eyes of the law, so permission of the court is must. The character, qualification, financial condition of the proposed adopter, proposed parents may also be taken into consideration by the court. That means all the ups and downs will be taken into consideration based on two places. First is the place where the child is, and the second where the child is to be taken. Court can refuse the adoption order if it finds that it is less advantage for the child welfare. One more point I would like to tell you here is that same-sex couples are not allowed to adopt a child in India. They can adopt a child as a single parent and raise them together. That's it. Hope you have understood the concept of adoption process. Who can adopt the child and who is eligible to give the child in adoption. If you have liked this video, then share it with your friends and family and spread the awareness. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. See you in my next video.